Have you ever felt your heart racing, your palms sweating, and your thoughts spiraling out of control? Today, I'm sharing how ancient wisdom transformed my modern struggle. Drawing from the works of Imam Al-Ghazali's Revival of Religious Sciences and modern psychological research by Dr. Harold Koenig on religious coping mechanisms, I discovered that my journey wasn't unique. The intersection of faith and mental wellness has been explored for centuries, yet many of us feel alone in our struggles. The Islamic perspective on anxiety. The Prophet Muhammad said, "No fatigue, disease, sorrow, sadness, hurt, or distress befalls a Muslim, even if it were the prick they received from a thorn. But Allah expiates some of their sins for that." This hadith transformed my understanding of anxiety from a burden to a potential blessing. 3 transformative practices. First, I discovered Tawakkul, divine reliance. Instead of carrying the weight of uncertainty alone, I learned to share it with Allah. The Quran reminds us in Surah At-Talaq, "And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for them." Second, implementing structured prayer times created what psychologists call anchoring moments, fixed points that ground us during chaos. Each prayer became a mindfulness session, pulling me from a spiral of anxious thoughts. Third, I practiced muhasaba, self-accounting. This Islamic practice aligns perfectly with modern cognitive behavioral therapy techniques, helping identify thought patterns that trigger anxiety. Practical application. Let me share a specific technique combining Islamic wisdom with modern anxiety management, the divine presence practice. When anxiety strikes, place your hand on your heart. Recite Hasbunallahu wa wakeel. Allah is sufficient for us. Focus on your breath while reflecting on Allah's names, Al-Latif and As-Salam. The combination of Islamic wisdom and modern understanding offers a unique path to healing. In the words of the Quran, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah, do hearts find rest."